So guys, Infi has broken its 20-day EMA, 20-day exponential moving average, and now you can see this is 20-day moving average, 20-day exponential moving average, and it has broken that today. So as you can see, there is a huge gap over here, and Infosys can do a gap filling over here. So we can initiate a bearish strategy for Infosys, and it will surely cross the 1073 mark. Okay, and the next support you can see it is 1060 level. Okay, now let's go and see in open interest what it shows. So in open interest, as you can see, the expiries, this is current expiry and it next expiry. So current expiry, it may not be possible to go that much, like 10, 50, 60 level. So let's exclude that, and in the next expiry, as you can see, Infosys is heading towards 1050 level almost. So this was a biggest hurdle which it crossed towards the downside, 1100 level. So now to cross the 1100 level will be a big task for Nifty, for Infi. So now the next target will be 1050. So we can create a strategy between 1050 to 1100. So now let's go and build the strategy. Okay, so since we are confirmed that it will go downside, so um, let's do a call ratio spread for November 26 expiry. So it doesn't mean that you have to keep it for till the expiry, but you just have to see, whether it is going towards 1050 or not, and you can exit when it crosses 1050. Okay, and the stop loss would be the break-even point 1154. Okay, so 1154, if it is going to 1154, you have to exit from the strategy, otherwise you can hold, and the maximum profit, as you can see, is 53,280. Okay, and maximum don't worry about the maximum loss till the time you have your stop loss, and our stop loss here is the 1154, the break even point. Okay, and guys, the margin required is 2.7 lakhs, and the overnight decay will be 780 points, so you'll get a good benefit. Okay, so if you keep if it goes towards 1050 and towards expiry and all, you will get the maximum benefit. But let's see how much you can get. So if it goes to, let's say, 1050 in the coming, okay, coming 5-6 days, so you will still get a handsome profit of 17,700 in one lot. Okay, and just see the the details, and the detail shows that you have to sell 1110 call, 2 lots, and 1090 call, 1 lot you have to buy. Okay, and the strategy is call ratio spread strategy. Okay, and the probability of profit is very good. So 71% is the probability of profit, and as you know, option trading is mostly on the probability only. So the more the probability of profit, the more more chances of profit is there. Okay, guys, so just share this video among your contacts, and look into this strategy, or observe this strategy, and have a pleasant day ahead.